Good morning. It's a solemn day today as we remember the 19th anniversary of the 9/11 attacks on the World Trade Centers, the Pentagon, and a Flight 93 that crashed in Shanksville, Pennsylvania as its passengers tried to take back the flight from hijackers. I remember how unified we were in the weeks and months following these attacks. We were united in grief, and united in anger, united in commitment to justice. But we're doing things today that are tearing us apart with the way we put simple labels on others and find reasons to be angry at each other over bullshit. So today, let's put that aside. Remember how we held hands in silence and remembered those who died on this day 19 years ago? Let's be kind to each other today. And again tomorrow. We need to draw together or this nation we love is going to suffer even more. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall. I was going to have another short talk about another topic, but it just didn't feel right today, so I'll cover that on Monday. Be grateful today. Be kind today. Be human today. Love each other. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.